Hey guys, this is Nick Rios with the Broadcast Beat Show live at NAB 2014 with Primestream. I got Claudio right here who's going to tell us about Primestream and the stuff that they've going on this year.
All right, so thank you, Nick. I highly appreciate you inviting us for this interview. And well, basically here what we have is that the transition from tape to digital file, it's done. I mean, this was something that's been worked over process of 10 years at least, and right now the transition is completed. We are on files, no more tape.
That's beautiful, that's beautiful. So what does your company have to offer, like down to the bare grits? What do you guys have?
Okay, if you look at how this industry was built on tape. And since 40, 50 years ago, tape has been the base. So what we have is that we can manage an immense amount of files. I mean, in the old times, you would go and say, oh, I'm looking for a tape about such subject. And a person will go up the ladder, go pick up the tape, take it to you, and that was it.
A couple hours later.
Yeah, a couple of hours later, you had the tape. Well, today's day, if you have to do that with 1 million files, how do you find them?
You won't.
You start searching, and you end up in a loop. So what we do is we have the most powerful search engine for video with metadata up to the frame level, which allows us to find a file in seconds.
Seconds versus hours that it would have taken.
Seconds, and sometimes milliseconds.
So you guys have revolutionized the data flow management from...
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Absolutely. And our team is a fantastic team. Most of us, we come from the industry, from CNN, from Turner, Discovery Channel, so we knew the challenge, and we resolved it.
You guys had the background, you were able to figure it out.
That's right.
That's awesome. Do you guys have any new stuff coming? Any hype going on? Any stuff that you can like tease or?
Yes, I mean, then it came the challenge of how do you enter fast metadata? Because typing takes time.
It does, exactly.
So, and how you fill up your metadata fields very fast. Well, we have here Logger, which you will see, and it's a touch screen with fields that they are preset, and you just touch and you say, okay, this player, this, and then
it's interactive. We're in an interactive world. Exactly, exactly. All right, well, let's go over and let's take a look at some of this stuff.
Yes.
And, all right, cool.
Okay, let's
go.
We'll
head over there. Let's go. Hey guys, Nick here again. We're sitting here with Robert, and he's actually going to go through the actual management system and show us a little bit about what it does and why it makes them so awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, of course.
Yeah, pretty much we're looking at our logging system here, and it's very unique in the sense that we have our media asset management database built into a logging application. So if I switch over here to our logger, we have a team here. So this would be the player lineup. We have the goalies, we have the defense. These are all like pre-populated the team for the game that I'm about to log. So at NAB, we announced an integration with a company called Stats that provides data so that when a logger sits down, all these fields of the starting lineup, the players, the player numbers, it's all there. So there's it populates it there, and they just immediately go and they start working.
Beautiful.
And that's the nature of our software. We want people to always work. I'm going to pull up a clip. I don't think I have something hockey, so let's see. Oh, that's not nice.
There we go. Daytona.
So here we have some race
clips.
Some race clips. Yeah. So I'm going to switch over, and we're going to pretend that this is ice hockey.
Okay.
And essentially we're looking at a touch screen, but we could also click. Let's pretend that a player just scored a goal. So I clicked there, and he shot the puck. He scored a goal. It was an empty net, and it was on his backhand. And if you look over here, all that metadata just populated
inside instantly. Wow.
And you could switch over to our MAM, and you could find it in here and show me all the goals, show me all the assists. And at the same time, it's putting these clips in here, and these could easily be compiled into a teaser. Exactly. So when you go to commercial, you have your highlight reel already set,
just like that,
and you're good to go. And all these are configured for whatever content you're logging against. So this one was configured for a hockey template, and there's so many different types of buttons you could press and assign it to a player. So this player shot the puck, the goalie saved it.
Okay.
This player shot the puck, but he missed. This player, he's in the penalty box now because he was fighting.
This is crazy.
And then we have Henry Lundqvist, or Martin Biron. I can't go over that. Steve Emiger shot it, and this was actually a wide shot. So I could even mark the angles of what the content is. It's beyond what the actions are going on in the game. I could also note what angle it was in there. So you could,
specific.
Yeah, so I could say, show me all the wide shots, show me all the close-ups, show me all the medium shots. And that's a quick way to get content found and not searching through your database.
Content.
Detailed,
Exactly.
And most of all, the customers that are using this are taking these clips that are created and assembling those highlight teasers
just
to
like
go to
that
commercial.
instantly. Which, I mean, time is money, especially in bigger productions like this. So that's the key. That's the key.
Time is money, and also we're kind of entering this time of more distribution outlets. You have YouTube, social media, all these different types of places. So now, if you're a broadcaster or if you're an event creator and you're putting on an event, you need to get that content to not only television but to the web. So with that, you need to be able to create content faster, and this is how we're addressing it. It's the ability to find it faster, the ability to create it faster. We have an integration with Avid Media Composer, Final Cut Pro, as well as Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So while this content is being ingested, if it was live, we could already be sending this to
the other NLEs,
and already sending it and then editing it, sending it back here.
This is genius. You guys saw a problem and you fixed it.
That's what we do.
All right, thank you, man. This is Nick Rios again with Broadcast Beat Show, here with Robert, Primestream, and we will see you guys at the next booth. Thanks so much.